find winning keywords to target but don't have budget for paid tools? Here are 5 free keyword research tools for you. Keyword research is incredibly important in online business. Luckily, there are lots of tools and services out there that make it easy. But sometimes these tools and services can be a little bit expensive. As a beginner and as a university student who don't have a fixed income yet, I don't want to spend so much money to buy those tools. So here are 5 keyword research tools that I am using. Of course, these tools and services come with some limitations, but considering the factors that these are free and I'm a beginner, I'm okay with that. The first keyword research tool is Google Trends. Google Trend is a keyword research tool that shows you keyword traffic over time in various regions and languages. This gives the information about a search popularity of a keyword over time. For example, let's say the keyword iPhone. Interest in iPhone specs peaks every September when Apple launches a new iPhone. If you're someone who deals with this tech business, it would make sense to update and republish any content every September about these iPhones. Google Trend is really helpful to create your content calendar. The limitations of this tool are it only gives relative numbers. The context of the search is not clear. People may use different keywords for different purposes, but Google Trends does not give information about the purpose of these searches. The features of this tool is it is completely free. The research data can export easily. It is useful for compare research and can search trends in specific geographical areas. The second keyword research tool is Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. Ubersuggest is one of my favorite keyword research tools, and I always use that tool to do my researches. Sometimes at the beginning, this tool can be a little bit overwhelming because there are lots of information that it gives you. Other than keywords, Ubersuggest gives information about domain overview, discover top SEO page, keyword suggestions, find errors of your websites. When it comes to the keyword, it gives information about search volume, display how much searches the keyword has each month, SEO difficulty, how hard it will be to rank for the keyword organically, paid difficulty, estimates how many people are competing in paid search for the keyword, PPC cost, how much it costs on average to pay for the CPC. The only limitation of this tool is it gives only 3 searches per day in free version. If you want to get more than 3 versions per day, then you have to go to the pro version. The third keyword research tool is Ahrefs Keyword Generator. This is an incredible tool which gives information about 171 countries. It also supports 10 different search engines. Google isn't the only search engine around. By processing large amount of clickstream data, they provide keyword volumes for places like YouTube, Amazon, Bing, etc. It also provides keyword difficulty score and also search engine result page overview and position history of a keyword. Then it also provides keyword list. You can save this keyword list for future references. The limitation of this research tool is its price. Of course, it gives some information in the free version, but you need a paid account to get the most out of the platform, and it's more expensive than most content marketing tool subscriptions out there. The plans start from $99 per month. Then the fourth keyword research tool is Answer the Public. If you ever stuck with keyword and couldn't think of any content idea, then Answer the Public is the best tool to find content ideas for you. The best thing about this tool is that it provides the latest queries that people are searching over the internet. It also provides a bunch of questions related to the keyword in a very unique visual graphics. This may be the excellent tool for keyword research and brainstorming new topic ideas. It provides you a visual image of your data, and it is easy to download those search data. In the free plan, you have only 3 search per day. The limitations of this tool is it only gives you content ideas. There are no other keyword related data such as search volume or SEO difficulty. The fifth keyword research tool is SEMRush. You don't have lifetime access to this tool freely, even with some limitations. The only thing you can get free is the 30-day free trial. But still, you have to enter your credit card details to get that free trial. But SEMRush is generally easy to use. It also provides you domain analysis and also provide large quantity of data. This also provides you comparison information about the keywords. But SEMRush only provides data for one search engine, Google. So those are the 5 keyword research tools that I have used. Above all those tools, Ubersuggest is my favorite. When I want to make decisions about my content calendar, then I used Google Trends. So I hope this video will help you. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.